high-capacity COVID patients should consider a mask. Oakland, Georgia family physician Andrew Reisman says that's a fair metric.
It's been a little scary when we've reached 85%, 90%, or 100% capacity. Kind of being able to gauge that you're running into an issue, is probably a good idea.
The only hospital region meeting that requirement right now is North Georgia, which includes Dalton and Calhoun. They're currently at 20.9% COVID capacity. Easing mask restrictions is something Dr. Cecil Bennett implemented at his Noonan practice 2 weeks before the CDC's announcement.
I made a policy in my office that any individual who is boosted did not have to wear a mask in my office.
Bennett says data informed his decision.
We may have to treat it just like the common cold or the flu and have some type of booster annually.
He adds this isn't a shocking direction from the CDC, given vaccines, antiviral medications, and foreshadowing from the public.
They were seeing that less of their friends were going to the hospital, less of their friends were getting sick, and they realized that we were in a much better place.
Meanwhile, Dr. Reisman questions how communities surrounding will react if cases rise.
And how do you decide how wide that area is? How would they be informed? How would they respond?
It's not a total goodbye to masks. Face covering still required on planes, trains, and buses, and recommended for high-risk people. On a personal level, Dr. Reisman says he'll be keeping one with him.
In places with lots of strangers, such as stores and things like that, I'll probably still wear my mask despite the new recommendations from the CDC.
That was Hope Ford reporting. Dr. Reisman says he will still be asking all patients to wear masks in his office because of the likelihood that others may not have strong immune systems. And Dr. Bennett is still requiring unvaccinated and high-risk individuals to wear masks in his office. Of course, the CDC encourages anyone to wear a mask if they still want to, and says anyone with COVID or COVID symptoms should continue to wear a mask. To find the latest information about COVID-19 here in Georgia, you can head over to 11alive.com/coronavirus. Our team is tracking those numbers for you.